buddies, pals, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. Look at that for a river. It's we had some rain last night, so it's kind of a bit bigger than we were expecting. And I say we because I'm out with my buddy Dave. Let's go say hey to Dave. What up, Dave?
Hey, Dave.
Awesome, man. So Dave and I, we haven't caught up for far too many years now. It's been a long time. Anyway, we finally got it together and we popped into this river. I haven't never fished this section of river before. Dave has, he knows it, and he was kind enough to bring me in here. So like I said, we had a heap of rain last night. It's brought things up, a little bit of colour in the river. But it's all good in the hood. Dave's kind enough to let me just start a little backwater here. Then we're going to work our way up, fish for the day. Have a good old time. I'll talk you through what I'm using in a bit. For now, let's go fishing. Alright, so we've got this backwatery thing going on here. So we'll just bang something out there and we'll see kind of where it goes, eh? Start along this inside bit, see where we kind of get kind of a drift we get back into here. Just see what happens. There's got to be a fish knocking around in there, for sure. Oh, looks pretty good. All right. A bit of a look up the edge, couldn't see anything, so I'm just going to start fishing it from the back and work my way up. I like this water. This to me is sexy. Sexy water. Yep, got him. That's a good fish. Oh no, not over there. It's gone real deep. Right over the other side in the deep stuff, in the fast water. Here we go. Had to be a fish there, eh? Feels solid. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna slowly bring him over to you. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Thanks, my man.
Whoa, hey.
Awesome.
That's a nice fish.
Solid. We're off the board, we're off the mark, we're on the board with a great fish. That's a super cool fish. I mean, day made, really. And it was right where it should be, right on the edge of the seam, just in that nice foamy bit of water. Just yeah, textbook. Yeah, really cool jack. On the fins, you can see where he's just recovering from just being beaten up from spawning and flapping around in the gravel and all that kind of stuff. Probably fighting. And it also looked like it had an encounter with an eel, as Dave pointed out, at the bottom of his belly there. That was really cool. I'm stoked. Anyway, I didn't really touch that pool. Dave's going to jump in at the head, fish that because he's Dave's checked nymphing today. Yes, I know, I'm not holding it against him because he's a good dude. But yeah, he's going to fish through the top of that. Then before we go, I might just put some weight, just a couple just through the main part there. All right, I'm going to watch Dave fish. Well, quite surprised that Dave didn't pull anything out of there. Actually, he was getting some nice drifts. So what I'm going to do is just bang a couple through way into the tail of this piece of water, where he can't get to too well with the checkman thing malarkey. That's fish. Yep. Nice. Right out there down deep, just a little bop, 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 and it was a fish. Oof. All right, so Dave reckons worth a few more drifts. So who am I to argue? I'll give it a go. All right, last one. Can't quite get all of that. Where you want it. It's not too bad.
I don't get it right every time.
That's a fish. Yeah. Oh my God.
I can see it too.
Yeah. Straight towards it. That was cool.
Yeah.
That was cool. Worked for that one, didn't we? Man, there was some line out. Boy. Just strong. Strong. Kind of like a carbon copy of that other fish. Oh, sweet. That's a good looking fish. Just super pretty. Awesome. Get out of here. Alright, we have a quick fish here, and then the rest of this is Dave's. Yep. Whoa. Oh, not over there. Oh, he's right on the wrong side of the big rock. Here he comes. Woo! I'll try and keep him down here. And here's the rain. I'll try and lead him up here. Oh, whoa! Woo! Oh, yeah! Okay, yes, I caught a fish down there, then we just walked up, and Dave said to me, just fish the back half of this, because he wanted to fish the top, and yeah, caught that wicked silver bullet. Hopefully we got it on here. from in front of the big boulder over there. And then it just started just bucketing down. So it kind of got a bit chaotic. Hopefully you at least got a look at it. And now it's raining. Early season fishing in New Zealand. It's a roller coaster. All right, Dave's in. I'm gonna turn the camera on him. Yeah! Oh! Long range release. Okay, real quick, I'll just run you through what I'm using today. And what I have been using today, and what I'm probably going to be using tomorrow. I've got Larry with me today, which is the Helios 3 6-way F. It's a flippin' beautiful rod. It really is nice. Mirage LT reel, and then on here I've got a Scientific Anglers Infinity Smooth 6-way. Now, because of the kind of day it is, the fact the river's up, it's coloured, it's high, it's not really a dry, droppery sight fishing kind of day. So what I've done is I've built my own leader off of the end of the fly line, straight through 3X. So if you don't know how to do that or how I do that, I'll link that up here, you can go check it out. But basically what I've got here is, I've got something I need to replace. I've obviously been wrapped around a rock by one of those fish. So I'm going to replace that. But basically, I've got about 6 inches of 1X, then I've got 3X. I've got about 12 foot of 3X just straight through to my dropper, which is a double beaded stonefly. Now the reason I haven't dropped down to 4X is just because the river's up, it's coloured, it's big, I can get away with it. So really I'm a big fan of fish as heavy as you can get away with. Yeah, I could fish 4X in here, but I don't need to, so why would I do that? Same thing off of here, a little bit of tippet, 3X straight to a Prince of UV from Cat 3. Great fly. Rainbows love it. And again, because the water's coloured, it's up, it's a bit dirty, just a little bit of UV just stands out a little bit. I feel like it might be, you know, might catch that eye a bit easier. All I've done then, made up a pretty big indicator, kind of winter taupo styles, big piece of tubing, plenty of wool, just so I can hold up those flies and it can deal with the big currents and getting, you know, pummeled by the water, all that kind of stuff. This is all the Scientific Anglers Absolute Supreme Fluorocarbon, which I love. It's great stuff. There you have it, in a nutshell. That's what I've been using. Seems to be working, so I won't change it. How good was that? Dave took us to Browntown. What a beautiful fish. Really pretty. Good condition. Great colours, that nice metallic blue on the gill plates. I love that, eh? Alright, see if I can pull one out the head. Yes! Had to be somewhere up there. Woo! And it's a rainbow. Try and keep them down here a bit, and Dave might even be able to pull another one out the top there. Caught around everything. Pretty fish, pretty fish. We got a bit of a wrap going on, I think. Yeah, I think so. Thanks, man. Pretty handy. I'll try and just swing her back in towards you, eh? Thank you, brother. That's great. Good. Beauty, hey? Cool. And see you later. Okay, so after some gentlemanly arguing, Dave insisted that I carry on fishing the top of this. And I didn't want to be rude, you know, so I'll do just that. I feel like I should be able to pull one more out of here. It should be kind of cool. Oh yeah. Dude, there's just so many fish in this river. Another rainbow. Oh, here comes the rain. Yep, it's a boy. Come on, bro. Yeah. Woo! This is ridiculous. Man, that's a good looking fish. Oh, it's a big one. What a cool fish. See it, boy. That's so cool. Yo, so that was pretty cool. I don't know how good the footage will be from that last fish because it was just bucketing down at the time. It was pretty cool actually to be in the middle of the river catching a fish like that in a rainstorm. I actually feel like I could pull one more fish out of there, but I'm not fussed really. I don't really want to have to catch everything in a piece of water. Dave's feeling much the same. He's pretty cool, pretty happy just to cruise. So I think what we'll do is put our stuff together and just mosey on up to the next piece of water. What a spectacular day. And the sun's back out. How about that? Yo, so don't know if that last fish would have come out very well on here because when I checked afterwards it was totally steamed up. Whew. Thanks, man. Just because it keeps raining and then warming up, the sun comes out. Just the condensation issues I'm having today is crazy. And it was a really cool fish, so strong, so powerful, just such good condition. It was just amazing. So at the very least, hopefully you got to see the fish. If not, see it all go down. What a place, what a place, what a special, special place. Anyway, I just thought I'd check in, explain why you potentially saw that fish and not me catch it. Oh, 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 oh! Is that a fish? Yes? No. Ah, just got the bottom. Looked good for a second there. I like that. That's money. Oh, I thought that was gonna go. Yes. Yes. Where are you going, son? Whoa, dude. Straight over there. Yes! Oh, that was ugly. That was the worst net job ever, sorry. Awesome. And then let's go. Yeah! That was sick. Ooh. Oh, it's a good fish too. Nice. It's a cool fish. Big snout on him. Yeah, brother, that's the one to finish on. That's a cool. Look at the nose on him. Yeah. Oh, how cool was that fish? And what a way to finish the day. A fish like that, out of a piece of water like that, is what it's all about for me. That's wicked. That was an amazing, amazing day. I'm already looking forward to tomorrow, where we're going to jump in here and then we'll fish upstream from here for another day. I'm hoping it's just going to be more of the same. It's absolutely spectacular in here. What a place, what a river, what a privilege. Yeah, not much really else to say about that, other than cheers, Dave, you're a legend, my friend, and we'll see you tomorrow. In fact, we will both see you guys next week for tomorrow's trip, if that makes any sense. Give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment in the comment section below and all that good stuff. Have a great week. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.